Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use COUNTIF in a Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to know is that Power BI does not have COUNTIF like Excel, but you can easily replicate it by using the DEX formula. So you come here to modeling, the top panel, click on a new measure, and I want you to type in this, okay? So this is going to be the name of our field, count of days over 3,000, and we're going to be calculating is first we're going to count the rows that basically meet this condition, and the condition is all of the rows which have gross sales over 3,000, and then we're closing this formula. Just press enter and it is going to work on this and it'll add it as a new measure. So let's click out of this table and add this measure so we can see the answer. Let's change this to table format. And there we go. The count of days with the gross sales over 3,000 is 37. And it's really that easy and simple.